Hi, this is Ron at DJ.com, and this is our first time to test on this particular video setup. So, ito yung particular natin na first time tayo mag-unpack ng TWS device from Huawei. First time on video, but not that first time on Ron at DJ.com, which we featured a lot of TWS devices. And nagulat ako kami na even we're a bit late for this review. This is the first time in the Philippines you see unpack this particular device from Huawei, which Huawei Freebuds 3i. Ito yung can be considered a budget alternative to the previous release ng Huawei Freebuds 3, which price currently at less than 9,000 pesos. This one is 5,990 pesos. So, bukod sa nakita natin na mayroong black version, the one that we got that Huawei sent to us was the ceramic white. So, compared mo siya dun sa Huawei FreeBuds Lite is meron itong ANC still kung yung meron sa FreeBuds 3, and ang claim nila is on a single charge is meron 3.5 hours of battery life for music playback, then 2.5 hours of battery life simply for calls, and 14 hours in total pag kasama na yung charging case. So ito yung itsura ng box. So let's unpack on this one. So you'll be graded on this one this case na parang it reminds me of some makeup kit ika nga. And this is itsura nung Huawei FreeBuds 3i. So compare mo dun sa niya, or sorry, compare natin dun sa buds is iba ang itsura niya. Ibang iba siya compare dun sa FreeBuds Lite, pero it has some resemblance do sa standard na FreeBuds 3. So that's, I think the earbuds here is the standard one. Then ito yung makikita nyo dito na may a few extra mic siya for noise cancellation, obviously. Then let's see the other stuff inside the box. But I getting the other stuff in the box is mas maganda kung meron na kayong Huawei AI Life na app. You can download for checking the battery life of this device. Then ito kasama dito yung 3 exercise for finger for the ear tips. So isabihin merong 4 na size na compatible dito sa FreeBuds 3i. Unlike sa iba na usually 3 lang. Siguro mag-fit sa akin dito yung smallest. Usually ganun ako eh. And then ito yung charging cable, which is type C, which they claim na you can only charge you can charge this one into the case for around 30 minutes. And meron pa dito sa stock dito sa peds na to. So ang katang gagawin natin ng this one, which thick warranty card and the safety information here. And meron pa rito extra tip, this one, kung paano mo meron large, medium, small, and extra small. I think babagsak ako sa between small and extra small on this one. So hindi pa natin na try to actual. So this the sinasabi na namin na you can you can download the Huawei AI Live app, which is yung app is gagana even for non-Huawei phones. You can search that on Google Play, or if we're using a Huawei phone, since most of the recent Huawei phones is walang Google Play services, you can search app gallery ng Huawei, or You can also search that with the pedal search, or just scan this one by scanning this QR code and this one. And more look on the casing, medyo malaki siya kumpara sa iba na nakikita kong budget na ng mga TWS cases. So ceramic white siya. So it's a bit cute for me for this shapy camera. So that's it for now. So we're gonna have this for review. So since it's my first ever video for a TWS device for ronaldodj.com YouTube, please like and subscribe on this video, and also like and follow my social media pages. This is ronaldodj.com signing, and see you on the next video.